Bit of a fall for it.
Get a McDonald's. James, we go to McDonald's drive-thru.
Oh, swerves to the right. Swerves to the left.
Oh no!
Right, I should park it there. Fuck it. Oh no!
James, explain the situation.
We're here in Tesla headquarters. No, not really. We're going to go test drive a Tesla Model X. We're here in this Mercedes E-Class right now, and we're going to see if we can get a good trade-in price.
What's your app you're developing, James?
It's confidential.
Making your mad skrill have to get 130k.
It's confidential, mate.
You want that, buddy?
Are you ready, Kai?
I'm ready, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Let's get ready for action. Whoa. Sorry, I'm just playing with the keys. These are the keys. And then look.
As if that's insane.
Go camping. Get your panoramic view.
Oh no, what a way to ruin the mood.
Oh, really playing some sweet tunes.
I told you not to eat the
Like I shouldn't be doing this.
Put the gear up, Kai.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's supposed to drive on the road, mate.
Yo.
What's the verdict then?
This, I mean, it doesn't top this. Elon, our Lord Saviour, our saving grace.
Blessed be Elon.
Blessed be Elon. Thank you so much for providing us with such a glorious car. Now let's get the hell out of here.